Oh no! What are we to do? This is a magnetic broom. I found this one on Amazon, of course. It is Nyko heavy duty magnetic pickup sweeper, 24 inches in width. They have all kinds. This was about the right price range for what I needed it for. And as you saw earlier, I dumped a bunch of screws all in the driveway. And I don't want screws all in my tires. So let's see how well it works. It's a little bit flimsy. There's only so much adjustment you have. It does have a telescopic handle. Wheels are cheap, handle's cheap, it's wiggly. It does sit about an inch off the floor. Now let's see if we can pick up some screws here. And let's see how it did. All right, so I threw down the screws. You got a twist tie, you got a washer, it got a stud, another twist tie, and another piece of trash. So not only did it pick up all the screws I threw on the floor, it picked up other stuff. I'd call that a win. How about a wrench? Not bad. Most of you are gonna have something like this. This is a magnetic pickup tool. I call it a magnet on a stick, telescopic. And it works really good when you've dropped parts down into your engine bay. You can reach through small cracks, things like that. It does okay for a bit, and then you have to empty. Whereas this guy, oh, that's satisfying. If you have a lot, you need a magnetic broom. What if you're on a job site, a roofer? Pound the nails on the roof and the nails go flying all over the yard. You gotta be able to get those out. So I've developed a little test. I've got 5 things. A 3/8 to 1/4 adapter, a nut, regular washer, lock washer, and a screw. I'm gonna throw these things in my front yard and see if the magnetic broom will find it. Let's go. So, in order to prove to you that I'm not gonna know where these go, I'm gonna turn around and launch them one by one. Yes, I'm facing this way. See, ground is nice and gross. It's all muddy. So I now have no idea where those 5 things went. So I'm gonna make some passes, see if we can find it. Okay, it's not seeing this one. I actually saw that one. It is magnetic. At least I thought it was magnetic. Huh, okay, I gotta test this. It picks up, but man, it is weak. Okay, so the super light things so far are a fail. We're gonna switch to a nut, roughly the same size. I know it's a lot fatter, but you can certainly tell which one the magnet will retract more. So far, fail with the washer. Don't worry, I won't cheat. Okay, it's over there somewhere. Back at it. Oh, heard something. Got our black screw. Got our lock washer. Oh, here's the adapter. Not doing too bad. Oh, big nut. That's the original 4. Now I need the new nut. Nothing yet. Hey. Okay, not even a part of our original group. Cool. This wasn't what I had, right? No, this is new. I got a twist tie. A lot of you are probably gonna take away that I got a bunch of trash in my front yard. And you're not wrong. Heard something. Ooh. It's an old electrical terminal. What was that? Hey. Okay, there we go. Now look at this pile. This was new. This is new. The twist tie was new. This was new. So I started out with this and ended up with this also. It did struggle with the smaller washer. That one wasn't, I don't know what it's made of. Probably doesn't have a high enough ferrous material count in it for the magnet to do its job. So pretty significant haul. This I need to keep. But if you had a bunch of metal trash or things that you've dropped on the job site, this little guy did a great job. So this handle apparently is where the magnet is. so I can take the magnet up if I don't need it, or push it down when I do. And that's super helpful, because if you have all of your collection, I have it stuck to the bottom. Look at there. Now you can sweep it up. That is a great idea. So before I call it quits, I have a major task for the magnetic sweeper. How much of this bin of miscellaneous bolts I've collected over the years will it get? Not everything in here is magnetic, okay? This is just kind of an extreme example of what this magnetic sweeper is capable of. I would say that's pretty good. It does look like you can adjust the height as well. Yeah, they're pretty tight. I don't want to mess with it, but it is on a slot, both ends. So it would appear that if you keep bumping into stuff, you could raise it. Though if you raise it, your magnetic efficiency is going to go down. The wheels are a little wonky, can't get that lock nut too tight or they won't spin, but it is a lock nut, so you don't have to worry about it. I made a short a while back about finding a nut in the driveway and how lucky that was. I'm always dropping things I need, screws, sockets, and guys, let's not forget the tin. This might be our savior. So is it worth it? For $50, this is a pretty expensive magnetic sweeper, magnetic broom. So in a typical garage setup, like if this is just your home garage and you're not doing a lot of construction, I wouldn't necessarily say this is a requirement. But if you're a metal worker, a woodworker, you do extensive construction builds in your garage, this would be a good thing for you to have just to aid in cleaning up. It's been a fun toy to play with. I'm not quite sure if I'll keep it. I do like it, but for me it seems a tad unnecessary. Who knows? I do like the idea of going out to the driveway once in a while and just doing a wide sweep. I purchased this after losing a very important nut in the driveway. A device like this would certainly have helped me find it easier. I looked all over for it and just had to do it by eye, and I eventually found it, but that thing would have helped out a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching.